maganda.
It's up to all of you.
Okay,
Yes. I'll give you 2 minutes.
three. Can I have 3 this, 3 this, miss? I only have 2 minutes here. Can you?
1,
At 3 here.
5.
And 3 here as well. Time out. Time out. And 3 only? 2 here? 3? Is this a different flavor? Different flavor? Huh?
Macadamia.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks.
Okay, so each person, yeah?
Why 3? Of course. Ang ingay nila pagdating sa sweets. Lang. Ito paborito ko lang. Bilhan mo ako lang.
No.
Ayan, oh.
Banana cake?
Yes.
Okay.
Bayaran mo, ah. Bayaran mo lang, ah.
The same as that one. I only ordered 3.
Ayan, gusto ko.
Add more?
What breads ay... Ang daming bread dito. Pero, yung kukunin ko is this one, brown bread. Pero, malambot. Kasi yung ibang yung ibang bread is hindi siya malambot. Ito, kagaya nito. Ito matigas yung bread na to. Brown bread, pero ito malambot kasi white bread. Milk bread, white bread. Pero ito, brown bread siya, pero malambot lang. Sunod na titignan ko is the expiry. I'll need to check the expiry because will not finish agad-agad. Matagal namin mabos. Ang linggo din to. Ito na expiry. Wala. Ito. 7:15. Okay. Sobrang daming tao. Ito, mga flowers. Assorted flowers. Pag ganito, ang daming tao. Grocery. Sobrang madaming tao. Pag grocery day. Kuha kami ng egg. Yung grocery namin for today. Ayan lahat. Ayan lahat. Ayan, ang daming tao. Pati yan doon, oh. Ang daming tao.